Alright, if you've ever wanted to inspect a website, debug issues, or tweak things live, yeah, Chrome Developer Tools is where it happens. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use DevTools in Google Chrome step by step. First, right-click anywhere on a web page and click Inspect, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. You'll see different tabs like Elements, Console, Network, and more. Each one has a specific purpose. In the Elements tab, you can inspect and edit HTML and CSS in real time. You can change colors, fonts, or layout directly and see the changes instantly. The Console tab lets you run JavaScript, check errors, and test code quickly. In the Network tab, you can see how files load, like images, scripts, and APIs. Click the device icon to simulate mobile screens and test responsiveness. You can use the Performance tab to analyze speed and find slow areas. The more you explore DevTools, the more powerful it becomes. Try different tabs and features. And yeah, that's how you use Chrome Developer Tools. It might look complex at first, but once you get used to it, it's an incredibly powerful tool.